Hi guys, my name is Ashley and I work here at MCR Medical Supply. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing video of the Prestan Professional Series Adult CPR Mannequin with rate and depth feedback. So just to confirm, this mannequin is fully compliant with the 2019 American Heart Association guidelines. It provides its end user with both audio and visual feedback. Let's dive in. So this is our nylon bag that your mannequin will come with, handles, and a dual zipper system. There are three main components to your mannequin. When you open it, you're going to have your head, your torso, and then your directions. So for the aesthetics of this video, I went ahead and I removed the plastic that the head and the torso came wrapped in. We'll first dive into your owner's manual. Now this has all of the directions that you'll need on how to work your mannequin. It has the details about the LED lighting system and what the green, the red, the yellow lights actually mean when your student is doing their compressions. It also comes with a complimentary 10-pack of adult lung bags. So to attach your mannequin, what you'll do is you will pull up on the shoulder area. Make sure that you pull the actual plastic base and not just the skin, and it just slides right open. There are two holes on the nape area of your mannequin head and then two nodules on the head area of the torso. So it just fits right in there like a puzzle, and you are done. Like I said, this is a professional series mannequin with feedback. So this blue box right here, that is your visual feedback device. It comes with batteries, so you don't need to use any of yours just yet. And then when you do the compressions, the lights are actually going to show up right here. So that's going to be your visual. And then for your audio, that's your clicking mechanism. That indicates that your compressions are getting deep enough. And then that will go ahead and start your lighting right there. So for other videos, I would recommend checking out the lung bag installation videos that we've created. And if you have any other questions, just let us know. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.